Welcome back to another look using the Profusion SULTRY eyeshadow palette. This look is using the orange, well, some oranges, some blues, and a plum too, you guys. Hope everyone has had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Happy late Thanksgiving. Had a wonderful time with your family. Maybe you stayed at home, maybe you went out. Maybe you traveled to go see family, but regardless of all that, hopefully you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Now, we're going to start by priming our eyelids with the Milani eyeshadow primer, and we're going to be using the Profusion SULTRY eyeshadow palette that I found in the Christmas aisle at Walmart. First shade we're going to be picking up is called ECSTATIC, and we're using the two double-ended sided brush that came with the eyeshadow palette. Surprisingly, this is a really good brush. So we're going to build up that orange shade in our crease, and we're just going to build it up, build it up, build it up little at a time. And surprisingly, there's not a lot of fallout with this palette. Like I wanted to show you guys by proving this by not wearing any loose powder under my eye to catch the fallout. And I literally didn't even have to wipe any fallout away. So almost no fallout with most of these shades. I've used like 7 or 8 shades out of the entire palette so far with the 2 looks I've done, and it's been pretty nice. So we're going to take that beautiful blue and we're going to be applying that all over the lid. Just working that on there, no secondary base. It applies pretty evenly and nice. It looks awesome. We're going to be picking up the shade NIMBLE, which is a matte plum shade, and we're going to apply that in our outer corner, patting that and pouncing that in the area we want it, and then I'm going to drag it into the crease against the blue to help with the blending process. I love how this look came out, so pretty. And I kind of wanted, the direction I was going with this is I wanted a colorful fall kind of eye, so that's where I was going with this, and I just think it's so beautiful. And I've been loving the jewel tones lately, the blues and plums and the greens. You'll see that in these 2 tutorials. I'm just loving them. And I'm taking Ella, and this is like a shimmery whitish blue shade, but with blue glitters in it. And it literally applies so nicely over the other shades. It's so nice. We're taking Lit in the inner corner there to bring some light in there. Blending that up into our crease color just a tad. And then we're going to blend all that together. We're taking NIMBLE again and we're putting that on the lower lash line. Kind of messily, quickly, you know, just getting some color down there. I barely tap my brush into ECSTATIC and blend that over the edges. And now I'm taking Ideal and using that as my highlight shade, just blending all the edges down, using it as my brow bone highlight. And we're also going to go back in with the orange shade and apply that back into the crease, warm it up again, and just keep working that color. And I think this look is a fairly easy one. It's quick too, and I'm loving this palette, you guys. It's so awesome. So we're going to tightline with the Milani Stay Put eyeliner. I'm going to use the AOA Studio liquid liner to line my upper lash line. Just a thin line like always. And I'm using the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara, which I am a huge fan of. I love this mascara. And the look is done. Here's the finished look. Quick, easy, beautiful. We're using shade number 4 from the NUDE Lips Cherry Sherry kit that I found at Walmart. Beautiful shades. These are non-drying on the lips. They're actually pretty moisturizing. They dry matte. I'm really loving them. I do recommend picking this kit up. Stay tuned for in-detail swatches and review videos. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, found it helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials using the Profusion palettes. Like the video, comment, and subscribe. Ring the bell if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching.